Welcome again out here to Somerset Place. We are standing along the edge of the enslaved community in the area known as the Street, where the enslaved kitchen complex once stood. Now, it was comprised of three separate but related structures. The first was the kitchen itself, which was a substantially built structure that originated in the 1830s. It measured about 20 by 25 feet. It was of close-studded construction. It had a single large chimney and at least one door and glass window. Inside this building, at least one enslaved cook prepared the communal meal for enslaved field hands like Judy and Lewis at lunchtime. Enslaved persons transported the food in large cast iron pots on carts, and this meal was separate from the weekly rations that enslaved persons received from the meat rations building, which we cover in another Lost Building episode and is going to be linked in this video. The kitchen likely also stored the ingredients for each meal, and archaeological evidence indicates that the cook or cooks lived inside as well. Next to the kitchen was a shed that measured 10 by 12 feet with walls on three sides. And the front was likely open or had a door spanning the entire width. Inside the shed was a large above-ground cistern that provided fresh water for the enslaved community. In contrast, the Collins family had a cistern below their house, which actually remains to this day. Now, this shed here either had its own roof or shared a lightweight roof with the adjacent furnace. The furnace measured about 13 by 23 feet and served as a space for cooking the communal meals and also heating cauldrons of water. Archaeological excavations indicate that it consisted of a long, low firebox with the top partially open and a chimney at the rear. It may also have had a built-in oven for breaking bread, and the brick exterior was likely whitewashed as well. Unfortunately, we do not know who among the enslaved community worked in the kitchen complex. But we do know that after the Civil War, the kitchen building served as a tenant house through the early 20th century, as did other structures here along the street. However, it was destroyed by the 1930s when the Federal Farm Security Administration had acquired the property and built a road over top its remains. Subsequently, archaeological excavations of the kitchen complex began in 1952 under William S. Tarleton, who was researching and restoring Somerset's built environments. He successfully had the road moved so the structures could be uncovered. More detailed excavations took place in 1994 as part of a project to reconstruct several buildings here in the enslaved community. Today, we have exposed some of the excavations so that visitors can see the foundations of these buildings. And we hope that you guys will come out here to Somerset to learn more about the lives of the enslaved persons on North Carolina's third largest plantation. Don't forget to subscribe as well. Ring that bell to be able to get notifications about our latest uploads. And we hope you guys will join us out here real soon. Thank you.